XPEL keeps our cars safe. There's not a whole lot else I can say, but that's enough. We put these cars on racetracks every weekend where they get hit with rubber, rocks, I'm talking all sorts of debris. And I know that having XPEL on the entire supercar fleet means that I'm not going to be worried about what they're going to hit on the track or what's going to be coming back to the shop and really how it's going to impact the value of these cars. I know that when they come back to the garage, I'm ready to give them a quick clean, look them over, and send them right back out. I don't know how we'd be able to keep these supercars in such great shape if we didn't have this PPF on them. But I know it's a great product, I know it's going to work, and I'm going to make sure that every one of the cars in the Xtreme Xperience fleet is going to be protected by XPEL.
XPEL Clear Bra to protect against rock chips, bugs, debris from the track, so it protects it a lot. That's why I'd rather work always in a car that has XPEL Clear Bra. It's easier to clean, to wax, even to buff. XPEL by far has been the best brand. I love it on the cars. It's made my life easier as a professional detailer to keep the cars looking sharp.